Ni-request ko po talaga tong briefing na to at napakabilis ng response ni Secretary Mike. I have requested for this briefing in the sense that I really want to know which area our office can be of help. Alam natin na napakadaming kailangang gawin as far as the anti-drug abuse campaign is concerned. And gusto naming malaman kung saan kami pwedeng pumasok. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa efforts na binigay na sa kampanyang ito ng iba't ibang ahensya. Pinapakinggan ko kanina yung mga presentations. Marami nang nagawa pero we have to admit na marami pang kailangang gawin. We have also made prior engagements already. We had a meeting with DOH. Humingi din kami ng paunang salita, paunang briefing. And I think it was DOH who told us of the 700,000 surrenderies. Pero yung 700,000 surrenderies, about 10% only, o 70,000, yung nangangailangang ipasok sa rehabilitation centers. And the rest, kanina sabi ni Yusek, a small percentage of that kailangan i-commit sa mental institutions. But the larger part of it actually need community rehab. Napakaganda po ng presentation ng Cluster 2 in the sense na very comprehensive siya. Yung akin lang comment, there are already existing models which we can use. Mahirap kasi parang mag-uumpisa tayo sa umpisa. Kasi naghahabol tayo. Parang yung 700,000 nandyan bago nagkaroon ng programa. Not the other way around. So we don't have really the luxury of time. Kaya kailangan na talaga siyang pagtulong-tulungan. And I am glad that UBAS is involved in the sense that siguro alam naman ng mga taga-DILG, UBAS was actually started when my husband was DILG secretary. And the concept of UBAS was really a take-off from the very strong church community government partnership in Naga.